Hello everyone, welcome to Spice Ranee Cooking Channel. I'm Jasbir and I'm here to share all my favorite recipes with you. Today I'll be cooking Singapore Laksa. Laksa is a spicy noodle soup popular in the Peranakan cuisine of Southeast Asia. Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia and the southern part of Thailand have their own versions of the laksa. Singapore Laksa is inspired by the Peranakans who lived in the Katong area. That is why it is sometimes known as Katong Laksa. Let's begin with the recipe. For the full list of ingredients, check out the description box either above or below. First, we will be preparing the prawn broth. For this, you need 2 tablespoons of oil and a kilo of prawn heads and shells. Heat the oil and add the prawn head and shells. Cook till they are pink. You can save the prawn heads and shells every time you buy prawns for cooking. Just put them in the bag and put it into the freezer until you have enough to make a flavorful broth. Add 1.5 liters of water and let it cook for about an hour. While my broth is cooking, I will be preparing the ingredients for the gravy. Roughly chop shallots, chilies, lemongrass, ginger, garlic, galangal, turmeric and belachan. To the blender cup, also add blended dried chilies and soaked dry prawns. Add water and blend to a fine paste. Blend a little longer as some of the ingredients are a little hard. Add more water if needed. This is how it should look like. Now for the fun part, it's time to cook. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil and add all the blended ingredients into it. Add 4 stalks of Daun Kesum or laksa leaves to the gravy base. Season with salt and stir well. We are going to cook this mixture until it is dry and the aromatics release their fragrance and flavor. It is going to splatter as you can see, so please cover before it injures you. Check on it once in a while. Stir so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the wok. It has caramelized well. Continue cooking and stirring without covering as you want the remainder of the liquid to evaporate. This quantity is enough to make about 12 bowls of laksa. As only 4 of us are home today, I don't need to use all of it. You can let it cool down and freeze the laksa paste for another day or just keep it in the chiller for the next day. Sift 2 cups of prawn broth into the paste. Add a cup of water to make a thin soup. Mix well. Let it come to boil. Add coconut milk and salt to taste. I added another tablespoon of laksa paste as I like a slightly thicker gravy. Add fried tauhu and let it soak up the gravy. For added flavor, blanch your prawn and fish cake in the laksa gravy. Time to assemble the laksa. As we can't find the actual laksa noodles in Kuching, I'm using the next best thing, bee hoon. Singapore laksa is normally served with bean sprouts, fish cake, prawns and oops, I forgot the boiled egg, but it's still amazing. Ta-da! It's done. As simple as that. My delicious Singapore Laksa is ready. Home in a bowl. The closest I can get to Singapore right now. Do like and subscribe to our channel for more cooking videos. See you next week. Laksa is a spicy noodle soup popular in the Peranakan cuisine of Southeast Asia.
You forgot where?
Okay, laksa is a